Guys, so today's video is all about this turquoise teal makeup tutorial. So I decided to do a color series in my channel. So what this means is that in each makeup tutorial I would use one color that would be the center of the whole look. So for example, my last tutorial was a peach makeup tutorial, so the whole theme of the look was the color peach. So for today's look we have this teal turquoise look. So this is the second makeup tutorial in the color series, and I am really happy about this because one, I think it's very fun and it's very creative and interesting for my channel, and also because it will help me a lot to step out of my comfort zone. If you guys have a specific color in mind of a look that you want, then go ahead and leave that down below so I can get that done for you guys. But I will do just a few colors. So I'm really excited about this series and I hope that you guys are excited too. If you don't want to miss out on the series, then please go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss out, and also hit the bell notifications so you can notified every time I upload a new video. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please just go ahead and keep on watching. So my hair is curly today, so we're just gonna let it flow, but this is one eye already done. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye. So I already primed and also set my eye primer, so that's already done. So we're just gonna jump right into the tutorial. So for today I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. So this is what it looks like. It's so hard because it's white. So yeah. So for my transition I'm gonna go into this color right here. Then for my crease, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease like I normally do, and I'm using my Naked Skin Concealer by Urban Decay. Then I'm gonna go into some translucent powder to set that. Next, with a small brush, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. So now that we have our eyes semi-done, we're gonna go in with our face. I'm gonna use the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. I want this to be like a glowy look, and I really like this primer because it does give you a very nice glow. It has a little bit of a tint, so this is what it looks like, and it does help so much to smooth out your pores and in your face. So I like to apply this on the center and kind of just blend it outwards. So for foundation, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth foundation. I just love it so much. So it's the only foundation that I always use and that I can always rely on. Then I'm going to blend that out with my Real Technique sponge. For concealer, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. I'm going to be blending that out with my sponge. To set the concealer in place, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. For contouring today, I'm going to be using the IBOTTA Beauty Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm going to go in with Contour 2, just a little bit warmer for today. So I'm going to be using the Tarte Party Blush. And then for highlight, I'm gonna be going into the Becca Prosecco Pop Highlighter. So I haven't really used this one that much, but it is so pretty. So I really wanted to use it for this look. For the lower lash line, I'm just gonna take this one, and I'm gonna just smoke that all over my lower lash line. For the inner corner, I'm also gonna go in with the Prosecco Pop Highlight. And then I'm gonna go in with my mascara. So for mascara, I'm gonna be using the Benefit the Bad Gal Bang Mascara. And now for lipstick, I wanted to use a nude. So I'm gonna be using the Stella Stay All Day liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Caramello. Okay guys, so here is the final look. I really hope that you guys liked it. I really like it. I mean, it's not something that I would have actually done normally, but I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. So if you guys also liked it, please do not forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys as always so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys on my next one. Bye.